Your foundation walls are subject to great stress from the surrounding soil outside. Sometimes that stress can cause a foundation wall to bow and crack. Now when this happens, it needs to be stabilized permanently, or it could eventually fail. A great way to stabilize a bowing block foundation wall is to use our super strong carbon fiber strapping system called CarbonArmor. CarbonArmor installation begins by lightly grinding the wall to create a roughened, clean surface. Then an epoxy resin is applied to the wall and the carbon fiber strap is adhered. As soon as the resin cures and dries, the carbon fiber straps resist further bending of your wall, keeping it firmly in place and permanently stabilized. The CarbonArmor system is a great way to permanently stabilize a bowing or tipping foundation wall. Plus, once the straps are installed, they can be painted so they blend in with the basement decor. Now, one last note, that soil that caused your wall to bow and crack, well, it's putting pressure on your other foundation walls as well. If your other block foundation walls haven't begun to fail yet, it's probably a good idea to protect them with wall defense straps. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple, practical, and proven solution that will permanently stabilize your foundation walls. How awesome is that?